So I printed this model on purpose to make it as a display only. So I put James here side by side so you can compare the size of this model. The idea is, like I say, for display purposes only. Now it is not a G scale, it's G1 gauge 1 scale. It's a roughly 140 scale. My printer does not have enough room to print these big size things. It's very, very, very big. But it feels really good to hold it in hand, something this size. So I want to maybe have it in shelves like that, and maybe have my collection. Also try it on resin. Well, actually, if I want to try the gauge 1 scale, I got it printed in parts, but I don't like to have seams and then glue them. It will not look good unless I spend a lot of hours to fill in those. This is not resin, this is filament. Yes, I do have these parts here too. This other thing, we used to call it side rod. I don't know what's the technical name of this thing, but I need to adjust something on this wheel so I can use screws and not just pins or whatever. Like I say, the idea is to have something as for display, and it will not be motorized. It's just for display purposes. I'm in talks with a brand. The problem is that they send an email to me and another 400 people. I already replied about this. They want me to make a video, but I don't know if this thing could print larger size models, like a gauge 1 scale. I have no idea. I haven't researched yet. But I don't think it will make any difference. It does have limited size, print bed size. So I don't know if it's gonna be true. If they're gonna reply again. If we get it, we get it. If not, then we continue with our other printers. Yeah, it will be cool to have that kind of printer. Interchangeable face. Heads and whatever things. But anyways. So in my opinion, this thing is still a good size for display, not to be motorized. And the feel to have something this size, it looks really cool. I mean, that's the idea. I think it's a good idea. I have other models that I could actually try also. So this was scaled down to 20%, so it ended up in 80% from the original gauge 1. So we're talking about 1/40th scale of this model. Remember, for display purposes, obviously this might need filling, sanding, and painting, but I want to hear your opinion. What do you think about this idea? We could try to continue, but like I say, I want to have this as a display model. It will look cool. Again, it's not prop size. It's just a display model, and it's not heavy actually. Man, I wish to have it resin printed, but my printer is not that big neither. So we have the files for Bill, Ben, Diesel, Duck, which is this one, Edward, Gordon, James, Mavis, Toby, Oliver, Percy, Thomas, Derek, Donald and Douglas, Emily, Fergus, Henry, Lady, Stepney, and other models that I could print, on this scale, on this size. Again, it's not prop size, it's not gauge 1 size, and for display purposes only. It will make a good collection to display in shelves. But yeah, that will be for a near future. Let me know what you think about this. This definitely again is FDM, which is filament. You still see layer lines, but it will be nice to sand it down and use primer filler, then paint it, and it will look really cool. Well, that's what I think.